faith journal ideas. I've got them for you and a sneak peek at my new kit, Plant Lady. If you like plants, you are going to love it. Plus the name of the book that's changing the way I think this summer. Here we go, y'all. Well, hello and welcome to Pink Paper Peppermints. I'm Melissa and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm working in my Traveler's Notebook insert from my new kit, Plant Lady. It's all about plants and gardening and pink and green. It's so pretty. And I will tell you that I am not a plant lady. That is my goal this summer, to become a plant lady. But as you can see, that's one of my little before pictures that I've tucked into my journal there. My plants are in a very sad situation right now, and I will show you some more pictures of them later, but that's what my goal is this summer, and that's what this journal is going to be all about. And I'm reading a book right now that is incredible, and I'll tell you more about that later. And it's so cool how God joined that book up with this kit and the whole Plant Lady theme. But right now what I'm doing is I've made a little pocket from one of the tags from my kit, and just all you have to do is fold up the bottom and sew it or washi tape it on the sides, and you've got a tiny little pocket. And now I'm just going to kind of lay out my pieces and decide where I want things to go. I'm tucking in some little pieces in the pocket that I'm going to journal on, and I decide I want this little butterfly on the outside of the pocket, so I'm going to try to jam my tiny attacher in there, and it actually works. It probably would have been better to do that before I sewed up the pocket, but we don't always get inspiration like that, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another pocket, and well, first I'm going to staple this tag to my page wrap, and page wraps are a product in my line that just wrap around the pages of your journal. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this little piece of ephemera to my page to create another pocket. And in this pocket, I want to put some journal cards that I can journal on, and also that I can put photos on. And the photos I'm getting are from my brand new toy that I got for Mother's Day. It is the best thing. It's the HP Sprocket mini printer, and I absolutely love it. It makes the cutest pictures. And here's what I promised to show you, some close-ups of my plants of shame. You can see the little gnome lady has fallen over in that plant because I guess she's so sad about it. I don't know. But anyway, so what I'm doing here is I'm making some little tuck spots with the tabs from my ephemera kit. I'm just stapling those onto the side of the journal card and tucking my pictures in those. And I like to do that. The pictures have a sticky back, but I like to do that because then you can take them out and look at them or add more pictures, which hopefully I will have some good after pictures. These are the before pictures. At the end of the summer, I'm hoping to have some nice after pictures. So let me tell you about how this all came about. I actually had this idea and was working on the Plant Lady kit, and I was doing some research and came across this book by Laura Casey. And I had not really been familiar with Laura before, but she has written several books, and her book is called Cultivate, and it's all about cultivating what matters to you in your life. And she uses gardening and planting as an analogy for cultivating things in your life. And I'm a perfectionist, and this book really addresses that. It is fantastic. I highly recommend it. There's a book club on Facebook, and we're just on chapter 2, so join us. I have had so much fun working on this in my journal, and I think you will too. So I will see you next week. I hope you've had fun. We are working on our junk journal again next week, so be sure and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, and I will see you next time on Pink Paper Peppermints.